Hey, what's up, guys? Happy Monday. Today is April the 21st. We are out here in Marietta, Georgia. This is the residence of Mr. and Mrs. 𝐓𝐾𝐒. I came out here about 2 weeks ago, did an in-home consultation. They booked their appointment on the spot. This is 702 square feet, excuse me, guys, spider webs, of these floors. Going to be doing a screen and recoat with UV cure. Also, shout out to Christian. I recommended them to move the furniture for Mr. 𝐓𝐾𝐒. So they came out actually this morning, moved the furniture so we can do the floors. So let me flip this around and show you what we got going today. All right, guys. So we are in Marietta, Georgia. Beautiful day, as you can see. So this week only working Monday, which is today, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Then I'm going out of town for 5 days. Be back at it Tuesday of next week. Phone has actually been ringing a lot this morning. Actually already booked 2 in-home consultations, and one was a referral. I did their neighbor's floor. So let's go in here, guys, and show you what we got going today. So I just walked into the front door and I noticed these pet stains, and I automatically, because it's in my contract anyway, but I didn't see that. I don't know if they had something covering this. So Mr. 𝐓𝐾𝐒 said, actually, Courtney, we didn't notice it either until I guess something was moved, maybe a mat or something. So I'll tell you right now, guys, those are not going to come out. Usually, if they're so dark like that, even sometimes if you sand them out, they'll still pop back up when you put the finish. So a lot of times, if you don't stain it darker, or like really dark, like dark walnut, ebony, 𝐓𝐘𝐒, they'll still show. So a lot of times, guys would just pull the boards out. So that's what they could do, because this is just red oak. So they can pull 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, maybe 7 boards can be replaced. But anyway, guys, let me show you what we got going today. So what we're going to do, we're doing this foyer area. Polyurethane is really just worn off. This little potty room, it's really worn right here. A lot of wear right here, as you can see, all the way through here. This whole living room area, a lot of wear at the back door, through the kitchen area. All right, and around the island. And they also moved the refrigerator, which most people don't move, but he said they put it on the back porch. All right, guys, so I'm going ahead and get started. I want to get a good screen on this floor and make this floor look better than how it looks now. All right, stay tuned. All right, guys, we got an amazing screen on this floor. I actually did a little color correction, so the floors came out great. Even the client noticed it. My client Rick, he even noticed as we was screening how much better it was looking. But like I said, those right there, those pet stains, there's nothing we can do about that. All right, guys, we're going ahead and start getting the first coat down. Stay tuned. All right, guys, look at them floors. Look at them floors. Man, that is looking good. All right. I must say, man, Mr. Rick is very impressed. All right, guys, go ahead and get this first coat down. And then we're gonna be laying the second coat. Then we're gonna go off and have some lunch. And stay tuned. I want you to just at least take a look at how it's coming out, the first coat.
Oh, it looks good.
Your husband's very impressed. You know, sometimes it's hard to impress the husbands. He's like, wow, this is coming out good. Now, I did tell him too, because I know when I first came, I didn't notice these. And
we didn't either. We had a rug over it.
Yeah.
And when the guys were moving, and I was like, oh.
Yep. So I did tell Rick, I said, Rick, those, he said, Courtney, we understand because it soaks into the wood. And even if you was the only way you can get those, you would either have to stain the floor darker or you can actually lace the boards out. But if you're going to put the rug back, you know, it'll hide them anyway. So, yeah. But yeah, I want you to see this. Yep.
It's beautiful.
Thank you. Thank you. So we're gonna we got the first coat going down. We're gonna let this dry. Rick went to go get you some lunch. Then when he come back, we're gonna put the second coat down, and then we're gonna go get some lunch.
Oh, okay.
Then we're gonna come back, UV cure, and then Christian will come back and move the furniture back.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So this will have a stain on it though, anyway, right?
But no, your floors are not stained. Your floors are natural.
I mean the shine.
Yeah. It's gonna have the finish on it. Yes, man. It's gonna have the finish on it. All right, guys. Second coat is going down. The job that we did Saturday, she just made a comment on one of my Facebook posts saying how good Tiffany, how good the floors came out. All right, guys. So second coat is going down. Now, I remember the first time this happened to me, and to this day, I still don't know why it happened. But I did call Pro Coat because I panicked the first time this happened. You guys see how it looks whitish in certain areas. Well, it's actually just like some type of reaction. And I called Pro Coat, and the owner, Steve, he's the dad. He said, Courtney, don't worry, it'll go away. And guys, I was so nervous. I didn't go on lunch break. I mean, I lost I lost my appetite, man, because I'm like, what in the world? And that's the thing about wood floors, man. You get into certain things, you just don't know why it happens. But it does. And I've seen it happen numerous times since then, but it always goes away. So Tavares just noticed that. He like, man, what is that? I said, oh, don't worry, it'll go away. So so we're gonna go on lunch break after this. Come back, UV cure, movers come back, put the furniture back. All right, guys. All right, guys. This floor is ready for UV cure.
Are you sure?
Oh, you're good. Oh, man. So Christian them is actually on the way back to put the furniture back. So I'm going to start UV curing probably in about 20 minutes. Man, this floor came out amazing, guys. It came out amazing. Another job well done. Another job well done. All right, guys. Get this floor UV cured. Like I say, this floor is almost perfect except that. I did tell my client, I think I said this in the video earlier, the best thing they could do is I've had clients do this is basically lace the boards out. But I think they said they're going to put the rug back over that. All right, guys, stay tuned. All right, guys, that is going to do it. Day's done. It's a little bit almost after 7. And yeah, man, so the movers should be pulling up any second now. I told them we'd be done about 7, so it's about 7:15 now. And yeah, so all right, guys, tomorrow I do have a paid consultation in Winder, Georgia. And I have a huge, I think it's like 1,900 square feet screen and recoat, but no UV cure, and I will be closer to our side tomorrow. The consultation is in Winder. I think they're moving into the house, and they was recommended to me. And also the job is in Browserton, and I never went out and looked at that job. He booked strictly from pictures and giving me his square footage. And he's actually putting the house on the market. All right, guys, everything came out great. Remember, I did tell my client about, well, I didn't see those, but again, have to get those laced out. But overall, this floor came out amazing. All right, guys, see you in the next one.